welcome back to DIY Devin. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Visa gift card to your Amazon account. It's really simple, so pay attention. First you're going to go to your account right here, and then you're going to click on gift cards over here on the left side. And after you get to that, you're going to see your gift card balance is 0. And as you can see, I've already added a couple during the past. So I've done this a number of times. All you're going to do is hit reload your balance, and it'll bring you to this screen. My gift card I happen to have is for $80, but you can plug in whatever amount your gift card is, even if it's only like $1.32 or whatever. And you're going to hit buy now, and then you'll come to the regular checkout screen. You're going to change your payment method. Go down to add a credit or debit card. And then you're going to plug in the card number from your Visa gift card right here. And mine happens to end in 7880. So those will be the last 4 digits to check later. And then my gift card is from my insurance, so I have my name on it, but your gift card will probably just say a gift for you. Whatever name or whatever thing's on there, make sure you put it in, and then make sure you select the correct expiration date. Mine's 01 of 2024, and then click on add your card, and make sure the proper card is selected, and then use this payment method, and then select your correct address, use this address. And then you're going to double check again that the last 4 digits is correct and that your subtotal is correct. And after that you hit place your order. And you'll be brought to this screen. I've been looking at space heaters for my office, but over here I'll say that your order is placed correctly. Thanks. And then you'll go to your account again. And then gift cards. And then after 5 or 10 minutes, it should show the proper balance up here. And it'll also add it to your history as well. So now you can buy whatever you want. Right here, I have this outlet connector. I can hit buy now. As you can see, my order total is 0, and it said I used $12.84 from my gift card. So all you have to do is hit place order, and you're good to go.